Hi guys! Welcome to Vista Villa! Hey guys, it's now 6:30. We are very early today because we're going to Don Salvador, Benedicto. So I'm here again with guys and my sister Linlin at the back. Guys, we're finally here in Vista Villa, a popular spot here in Donsal. Vista Villa is a relaxing mountain getaway nestled in the highlands of Don Salvador, Benedicto. This place offers a panoramic view of Negros Mountains, making it an ideal spot to unwind with family and friends. Entrance is 100 pesos. Guys, it's super nice here. They have this circle na platform. Tapos, yung view is the mountains. And then, dito naman guys, yung mga villa nila. So, pwede dito guys mag-overnight. Check nyo lang sa Facebook account nila yung mga rates ng kanilang mga rooms. Guys, kasama pala namin ni ang Yufa.
Hi guys! Welcome to Angel Vlog.
Nakapag-take na kami ng pictures dito, guys. May mga drone shots na din kami.
Inside these endless days, feeling something deep.
Oh, luto diri ni ano na to. Dinis lang mo.
This is their menu.
Oat milk.
Yeah, I would oat. The manadi na food oil.
Ano to? Pwede mga soy sauce kag suka.
Grabe, luhod, manggid mo. Guys, it's super nice here. And malamig pa yung hangin.
Yeah.
Kahit na it's almost 10 a.m. na guys, pero malamig pa din yung hangin dito. March na yan ah. Paano pa kaya pag yung mga birthdays, birth months? How's the place?
It's nice. It's good. Nice view. Relaxing. Nature vibes.
Lynn, how's the place?
The view is perfect.
The view is giving.
Yes, your entrance fee is worth it. IG worthy na place. You should go here, guys.
Guys, meron din ditong magandang tambayan na area. Dito. So, open area lang siya. Guys, we're done with Vista Villa. So far guys, maganda talaga yung place. We recommend coming here for the view.
The view.
Okay siya talaga.
Yes.
Worth it yung 100 pesos na entrance. Sa food guys, silog lang kasi yung in-order namin kasi breakfast time ba yung pagpunta namin dito. So, hindi namin masabi talaga how's the food. Pero sa place pa lang guys, busog na kayo. Worth it talaga.
Yes. Super worth it yung view.
Yeah, tapos kahit na March na ngayon guys, malamig pa din yung hangin dito. Okay, so next is bababa na tayo pabalik ng Bacolod. Pero baka pumunta muna kami dun sa may pine trees para mag drone shot guys. Yun guys. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Hindi na kami nakapag-outro kahapon guys kasi sobrang napagod kami. Hindi nga kami nakapunta dun sa may pine trees guys kasi dumiretso na kami pa uwi kasi nga siguro dahil sa init na din, not feeling well si MM. Kaya direct na lang kami na umuwi ng Bacolod. So yun guys, sobrang ganda dun sa Vista Villa. Worth it talaga yung 100 guys na entrance. Tapos pwede naman dun guys na mag sightseeing lang, hindi mag dine in. Pero pag gusto nyo, meron din yun sila restaurant, dun kami nag-breakfast. May kiosk din dun guys, may mga tempura, may mga fishball, may mga ganun din. Tapos hindi namin naisama guys yung mga fur babies, although it was a pet friendly place kasi nga since summer ngayon guys and sobrang init kasi, so hindi na lang namin sila isinama kasi nga kawawa naman yung tatlo kasi super init. Then may plan din kasi kami na mag overnight doon with the fur babies na, so yun na lang yung pagpunta nila doon.
Guys, need nyo i-check yung Facebook page nila before going there kasi may times na close yung platform kasi baka may event. Kasi may times na open. Pwede naman kayong pumasok pero sa ano lang, doon lang sa
Ibang areas.
Sa ibang areas. Kasi yung highlight doon is yung platform.
Yeah.
So mas better check their Facebook page kasi nag-a-announce naman sila if close yung platform for
the
events.
yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. Bye from